let's talk about translating a sentence into a one-step inequality. So a lot of the trick to this is just thinking about, what does this mean? What is this saying? So in this case, this one says a number b, that's funny, a number, which we're going to call a number b, increased by 6. So if you had a dog and then you said the number of dogs you had increased by 6, you would mean that you now have 7 dogs, right? You increased it, you added 6. So we're going to start with b, and we're going to increase b by 6. Tricky to write, different. Is at most, okay? So is at most. So it could get to negative 25, so obviously we're not talking about dogs, but it could get to negative 25, but that's the most it could ever be. So that means it could be less than that, and it means it could equal that. And so this is what my sentence is going to look like. B plus 6 is less than or equal to negative 25. Let's try another one. Six subtracted from x is less than negative 26. 6 subtracted from x. So I'm going to take x and I'm going to subtract 6. 6 subtracted from x is less than, that's kind of literal, is less than negative 26. It doesn't say it's equal to it or it could be equal to it. It just says it's less than. So we have x minus 6 is less than negative 26. And one last one. The difference. So difference usually means subtract. If I'm talking about the difference between you and I, maybe I have 4 horses and you have 5 horses, the difference between that is 1, right? 5 minus 4 is 1. So the difference of y and 5, and the other thing that usually happens is they usually put them in the order that you should write the minus. So the difference of y and 5, we'll say y minus 5. Is greater than, literally, is greater than, or equal to, well, I can do that, 17. So the difference of y and 5 is greater than or equal to 17. Y minus 5 is greater than or equal to 17. Hope that helps.